After years of forecasts predicting an imminent peak in global oil demand, 2025 marked an unexpected turnaround rather than declining. Oil consumption experienced a quiet but significant resurgence, driven largely by emerging economies, most notably India. This shift has forced major energy forecasters to revise their long-held assumptions, pushing projected peak oil demand from the late 2020s into the mid to late 2030s. Market participants expressed concern that a government shutdown could delay key economic reports, affect consumer confidence, and disrupt trade flows. Analysts also noted that political disagreements over budget approvals and federal spending might extend a period of uncertainty, creating for the fossil fuel industry. Rather than declining, oil consumption experienced a quiet but significant resurgence, driven largely by emerging economies, most notably India. This shift has forced major energy forecasters to revise their long-held assumptions, pushing projected peak oil demand from the late 2020s into the mid to late 2030s. India has emerged as the single most influential factor behind this renewed growth. According to the International Energy Agency, IEA, India is now expected to surpass China as the fastest-growing source of oil demand globally. While China's consumption growth slows due to economic maturity, efficiency gains, and electric vehicle adoption, India's rapid industrialization, urban expansion, and rising middle class are fueling sustained increases in energy use. The IEA projects that India's oil consumption will rise from approximately 5.5 million barrels per day in 2024 to nearly 8 million barrels per day by 2035. This represents the largest absolute increase in oil demand by any country during this period. Remarkably, India alone is expected to account for almost half of all incremental global oil demand growth through 2035. Several factors contribute to this trend. Rising vehicle ownership, expanding freight transport, aviation growth, and increased petrochemical production continue to drive demand. While India is also investing heavily in renewable energy, the scale of its economic growth means fossil fuels, particularly oil, will remain a critical part of its energy mix for years to come. This development challenges the narrative of a rapid global transition away from oil. While long-term decarbonization goals remain intact, the resurgence of oil demand underscores the complexity of balancing economic growth, energy security, and climate commitments, especially in fast-growing developing nations like India. BizShort in seconds, say what matters. Stay tuned on BizShort for more such updates.